all around us and comes from many sources. Sometimes it comes from wind, water, tides, ocean currents, etc. One of the most important sources of energy is the sun. The energy of the sun is the original source of the most of the energy found on the earth. Today, we are going to discuss about the most important source of energy, that is sun, the ultimate source of energy. Let us go through the lesson.
From this chapter, we will be discussing about temperature, heating and cooling of atmosphere, the reasons for the variations in temperature, the concept of heat budget, etc. In the beginning, you can see two maps. First one shows the temperature in December and the second one shows the same in June. In Mumbai, the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius in December, but it increased to 33 degrees Celsius in June. But in Bhopal, it lies in the interior of our country. The temperature is 23 degrees Celsius in December and it increased to 36 degrees Celsius in June. That means the places in coastal regions have moderate climate, that is neither too cold in December, that is in winter, nor too hot in June, that is in summer season. But places which lie far away from seaside become too cold in winter and too hot in summer. Insolation. The term insolation is derived from the words incoming solar radiation. Solar energy reaches the earth in the form of short waves. It is measured by the amounts of solar energy received per square centimeter per minute. The earth's surface facing the sun gets heated by the flow of energy from the sun, which begin with the sunrise and last till sunset. After receiving this solar energy, the surface of the earth heats up and heat transferred to the atmosphere through various processes. Process of heat transfer in the atmosphere: conduction, convection, advection, terrestrial radiation. Conduction. Conduction is occurred when two bodies of unequal temperature are in contact with one another. This is a flow of heat by direct contact. Heat travels from a warmer object toward a colder object. A pan warming on a stove is an example. Vertical heating of the atmosphere, warm air rises in the form of currents. Convection is the process by which heat travels through air, water, and other gases and liquids. We can see an experiment to prove how the convection occurs. The transfer of heat through the horizontal movement of the earth. Advection is defined as the horizontal transport of something such as temperature, moisture, or a substance from one place to another by buck motion, horizontal movement. Terrestrial radiation, long wave electromagnetic radiation originating from Earth and its atmosphere. Radiation from the Earth is called terrestrial radiation.